What's up guys, you're watching Sid Technologies, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And without wasting your time, just let's go to the topic. I'm going to share my screen on my left side, and today our topic is how to add a money on your Instagram account for advertisement for any purpose you want to. And here we go to the settings simply and scroll down. Simply use to scroll down, creator tools and accounts. Controls, I think so, add a payments. You just simply add on a payments, tap add a payments, and a payment method, add a new payment method with a Facebook, and review the Facebook ad account that you were. I already have, that's why. So here you have your add a payment method. Simply you just tap on the add a payment method, tap add a payment method, and here you have your debit or credit card. Add a credit if you add a funds or a credit card. Here you just put your information about your card, Visa, MasterCard, anything you have. MasterCard and a Visa acceptable. So that's how that simply you add a money on your Instagram account. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like.